96 Haniway, 97 Dueñas. Overtime. Time is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Exciting game between Haniway versus Dueñas. It's overtime. Time is 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Bola sang Dueñas. Jersey number 1, dribble the ball. Oy! Foul, jersey number 8.
Jersey number 8, Sainz.
Sainz.
Third personal foul, penalty.
Penalty. Two free throw by jersey number 1. First free throw.
Medicis, Benjamin Dueñas.
Sulod no? Shoot. Second free throw. Ay, kasulod. Rebound. Uy, nagawa ang bola. Balik ang bola sa Dueñas. Can you shoot? Jersey number 1, dribble the ball. Kapangitas ang pasahan. Naglusot. Tintira. Bayo sulod.
It's a 24 seconds penalty.
24 substitution.
Substitution.
Time is 2 minutes and 46 seconds for the overtime. Score 96 Haniway, 98 Dueñas. Jersey number 23, dribble the ball. Lastimoso. Why kasulot. Rebound by Sinal. Nagliap. Sumunod. Sumpuin ni Sinal.
Score is 98 all.
98 all. 98 lack of the game. Jersey number 1. Tablang score sa overtime. 2.20 seconds.
Offensive foul.
Offensive foul.
Jersey number 24.
Jersey number 24, offensive foul.
Mendoza,
Tablang score.
fourth personal foul.
98 all sa overtime. Time is 2 minutes and 16 seconds. Live kita diri subong sa Maasin Cover Gym sa pampang ni Toto Defensor Cup 2024 Intertown Basketball Under 35. Jersey number 13 Poras 40. Last 2 minutes. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Score 101 Haniway, 98 Dueñas. 10 to shoot. Jersey number 14. Kapangitas ang pasahan. Nag-dribble na agawan. Poras, dribble the ball. Kimpasa kay Lastimoso. 2 point. Nice assist. Nice assist kay Poras. Jersey number 13 sa Haniway. Kimpasa kay Lastimoso. Time is 1 minute and 32 seconds. Score 103 Haniway and 98 Dueñas. Exciting game ito guys. Sa mga wala pa nakapollow and share, follow and share. Para updated ka mo sa mga live video ko sa basketball sa Intertown dari sa Maasin, Iloilo. Ang Intertown dari sa Maasin, Iloilo is under 18 and under 35. Back to the ball game. Dueñas ball.
14 seconds on.
Lamang ang Haniway sang 5 points. Jersey number 1. Yung pasa si jersey number 2. Balik sa jersey number 1. Jersey number 24. Jersey number 22. Foul. Foul sa ang jersey number 23.
Jersey number 23 of Ganiway. Foul out.
Oh, fouled out ng jersey number
Jersey number
23.
23 of Ganiway. Warning, the assessment of foul.
Fouled out ng jersey number 23 sa Ganiway. Time is 1 minute and 21 seconds. 5-point lead by Ganiway. First free throw sulod ang first free throw sa Dueñas, jersey number 22. Second free throw. Sumulod pagit. Third free throw. Sulod pagit ang third free throw. 1 minute and 21 seconds. Score 103 for Ganiway and 101 for Dueñas. Bola sa Ganiway subong. 99, jersey number 299, Lastimoso, dribble the ball. Pasa kay Puras ang jersey number 15. Jersey number 7, Sinal, dribble the ball. Nabuya ng bola ni Sinal. Out of bounds, turnover. Bola sang Dueñas subong. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Jersey number 1, gimpasa sa jersey number 22, nagtira sa 3, sulod. 3 points ang drop. Sumulod ang 3 points ang sang Dueñas, jersey number 22. Lamang na subong ang Dueñas ng 1 point. 48 seconds. Puras, dribble the ball. Puras. Pasa kay Lastimoso. Naglusot. Spinning. Foul.
Jersey number 1.
Foul, jersey number 1. Exciting game between the Ganiway and
Fourth
Dueñas.
personal foul.
Overtime.
Penalty.
Time is 39 seconds. Score 103 by Ganiway and 104 by Dueñas. May foul ang Dueñas. So Petro subong ni Lastimoso. Jersey number 9. First Petro ni Lastimoso. First Petro. Why kasulod ang first Petro ni Lastimoso. Why kasulod. Kasi magsalagaw, bagtayan para mo. Second Petro ni Lastimoso. Oy, nagsulod. Tabla kita, mga amigo-amiga. Tabla, 104.
35 seconds.
Ganiway versus Dueñas, under 35, Entertown Basketball. Live kita dari sa Masin, Iloilo. Jersey number 1. Jersey number 14, dribble the ball. Gimpasa sa number 22. Balik sa jersey number 1. Balik sa jersey number 2. Nagtira. Sumunod. 3 points ang number 14.
Last time, 16 seconds.
3 points jersey number 14. So 16 seconds remaining time. Time out. Ganiway. Score 104 Ganiway. 107 Dueñas. Exciting game. Live kita diri sa may Maasin Cover Gym. Matahom nga gym sang Maasin, Iloilo. Amo ni ang pahampang ni Governor Toto Defensor Cup 2024.
Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Both teams live in timeout.
Ganiway's ball. Tatlo naman sa mga taga-Dueñas. 16 seconds remaining time sa overtime. Ganiway's ball. Consular ang nagakapot ng bola. Panita sang pasahan, gipasa kay Sinal sang jersey number 7. Poras pagtira sang 3. Goal! 3 point ni Poras. Tanda na naman kita. 6 seconds remaining time. 5 to shoot. Oh, jersey number 1. Nagtira ng 3. Salon! Time is over. Sumulod ang tira sang Dueñas. Lamang sila ng 3 points. Okay na, tapos ng time. Congratulations, Dueñas. Time is finished. Thank you so much.